Hello everybody, hi. This is the second study skills session. This is a hands-on skills related to your cross-curricular day. So just to remind you, last session we looked at effective note-taking, information processing, active recall and spaced repetition, and time management and organization. So today we're going to do some hands-on study skills. So particularly now that you're completing your A-levels or doing your A-levels, you'll be at the point maybe at reviewing your work or maybe even being tested on your work. So we need to think about how you plan your revision. What do we mean by good revision? What does that look like? And then also effective revision notes. So what we're going to use today is an application. It's an online interactive course by Tutor to You. And we're going to be logging on with our school emails and making a free account and working through three topics. So first of all, planning your revision. Secondly, what good revision looks like. And then thirdly, effective revision notes. Okay, so all the instructions are on your Google Classroom. Please do work through those. We only have enough time for these three, but as you can see, there are other free lessons in there which will help you with your study skills. So I hope you find it useful, and let's get started.